Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by hearing clearly and eliminating distractions. First, solo the vocal and set gain staging so peaks sit around -6 dB. This preserves headroom for processing. Next, sweep a high-pass filter up to remove rumble, typically 60-120 Hz, until the vocal thins, then back off slightly. Once done, listen in context with the mix. That gives you the reference for what to cut or boost. Make sure to use a neutral playback chain so decisions reflect the vocal, not the speakers. You now diagnose. Use a narrow cue and boost around 612 dB while sweeping to find honk, boxiness, or harshness. When you find an offending frequency, cut with a narrow band 36 dB. Surgical cuts cleanly remove problems without coloring surrounding frequencies. Once the narrow issues are addressed, apply broader boosts or cuts to shape tone, gentle presence around 36 kHz for clarity, and a slight lift at 200-400 Hz if warmth is missing. Finish by polishing with broad moves, a subtle low shelf to control weight, or a final high pass to keep mic proximity out of the mix. Use a de-esser targeted at 5.8 kHz if sibilance appears after EQ, reduce only what bites. Then automate small EQ tweaks for different phrases if needed. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by a /Bing bypass, listening at low volume, and soloing problem sections to isolate causes so you can reverse or refine specific bands without losing the whole tonal picture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.